Hello guys, let us study how to import the geometry and resume.db extension. .db is basically for Ansys extension. If you solve the problem and you let that half and just save that, you can resume that db and continue for the further work. So quickly we'll go and import the geometry. In import, you have to go to the file import option. Here there are different extension where you can import. Normally you can import it as IGS format, CATIA, Pro, ENX, etc. So click on IGS format, and here it is asking to if there are two key points, or for example if two areas were coinciding. If there are two key points to that area, then it will merge together and solve it. And these are, if there is very small areas, it automatically cleans the geometry and deletes the small area. Just click on OK, and here these are the geometric tolerance. In this tolerance is search, it search if there is any small overlap or small areas, it deletes it. So use default and then click on browser window and just go and I just open, click on OK, and it pops some errors. And this basically because the geometry is not clear, and once it comes to the once it comes here, so we can see on the right it is displaying the area option. It is displaying here an area and the type and number, whereas on the right hand side we can see that Ansys, and this is the version. So latest is 617 also there. So I'm using 16.2 and the date as well as the time. So now quickly I close this. Now if I want to turn off this, you just have to go to the legend setting. So just if you turn off date, it will go replot, so everything will goes off. And if you want to turn off the area, which type, whether it's an area, geometry is an area, volume, or a line, if you just click on plot type, it will replot, so it will goes off. I just click and replot. OK, now we can see there are four I can say this bolt section. So quickly we can just go here. If you want an isometric view, it will display an oblique view or the front view, and you do some experiments which are available here. So I just explain you how to use with the graphic user interface. If you click on control and right, you can pan normal to your screen, and if you click on the left icon, you can rotate the geometry. And middle, if you click control pan and scroll down, you can zoom in and zoom out. And if you want to fit, just fit all. And if you want to export this file back to an IGS format, you can export this as an IGS format. Since the geometry is not function will exit this, because the geometry is not proper, it won't export. If it is the good geometry, so it will obviously export. And now let me clear everything, and it will ask whether to read, do not read the file, ask for a command to be execute. Now let me open a half done problem. So either you can open resume db, or you can go here and save as or resume job name id. So it pops some error. It is saying that the taper.db does not exist for resume. Why it is popping? Because our work directory is not the same as the file which we have saved. So firstly we have to change the change directory. So this can be done in file change directory. So here you need to go to, quickly you have to go to, and then click on Ansys, click here and then say resume db. So either you can resume db here, so you can apply a boundary condition or etc and save db. So the next half will be saved for further editing. If you want to quit, just exit. It'll ask whether to save the geometry plus the boundary condition or geometry load solution or save everything. If you click save everything, everything it will be saved. Thanks for watching.